Anyway, headed out after to the bakery next door, which has also been operating for decades. The Kim Chong Tin Hopia Factory is a bake shop that specializes in the eponymous hopia in its store name, a beloved Filipino snack staple with a flaky crust and various sweet or savory fillings inside. They sell them either as small mini buns or tiny diced ones. The mini bun one is around 50 to 55 Philippine pesos depending on the filling, which is around the equivalent of 1 to 1.3 US dollars. There are a bunch of well-known hopia pastry shops in the Philippines, and I've already made videos about them. I'm gonna link to them in the description below. But what makes the hopia in this store stand out is that they're all freshly made, and they're not processed or packaged for later consumption. They don't really have any packaging or branding, just this thin white paper. It's meant for immediate consumption. I got the hopia with salted egg filling. It's really excellent. The flaky crust is so fine, like good pizza.